Hello and welcome to another episode of the Learn English Road podcast, where learning English meets life wisdom. I'm so glad you're here today. In this episode, we're going to talk about a powerful book called Rethinking Positive Thinking by Gabriele Oettingen. Now, you might be thinking, wait, what's wrong with positive thinking? Isn't dreaming big a good thing? Isn't imagining success a sign of confidence? Well, yes, but there's more to the story. This book gives us a fresh and honest look at what positive thinking really does to our minds, and why dreaming alone might actually make us less likely to succeed. Surprised? So was I. But don't worry, we're not here to kill your dreams. In fact, this book teaches us a smart way to make our dreams come true. It's not about being negative, it's about being realistic and turning hopes into action. And guess what? This episode is in easy English. So whether you're learning English or just want clear ideas, you're in the right place. So grab a cup of tea, sit back, and let's dive into Rethinking Positive Thinking by Gabriele Oettingen, a book that might just change the way you dream. Let's begin. Chapter 1. The Limits of Positive Thinking. Positive thinking sounds great, right? People say, think positive and good things will happen. But does it really work? Gabriele Oettingen, a psychologist, wanted to know. So she did many studies. What she found was surprising. When people spend too much time daydreaming about success, like getting a good job, finding love, or losing weight, they actually become less likely to take real steps. Why? Because when we dream, our brain feels like we've already succeeded. Our body relaxes. Motivation drops. We feel good without doing anything. In one study, students who dreamed of getting high grades didn't study as much. In another, people who imagined finding a romantic partner didn't try hard to meet new people. The dream gave them a warm feeling, but didn't push them to act. Gabriele is not against dreaming. She says dreams are important, but dreaming alone can make us lazy. It can even stop us from facing real problems. So positive thinking has a limit. If it's only in your mind, it may become a trap. What's the answer then? That's what the next part of the book explains. A simple but powerful method. Chapter 2. Meet WOOP, a tool for change. Gabriele created a method called WOOP. It's a fun word, and it stands for Wish, Outcome, Obstacle, Plan. Let's break this down. 1. Wish. What do you really want? Choose something that matters to you. For example, I want to speak English fluently. 2. Outcome. What's the best thing that will happen if your wish comes true? Example, if I speak English well, I can travel, make friends, or get a better job. 3. Obstacle. Now comes the hard part. What is inside you that could stop you? Example, I get lazy, or I waste time on my phone, or I feel shy. This step is important. Most people skip it. But facing the obstacle makes you stronger. 4. Plan. Make a small plan using if, then. Example, if I feel lazy, then I will study for just 5 minutes. Or if I feel shy, then I will practice with a language partner. This is called mental contrasting. You dream, but then you also face the truth and make a plan. That balance creates motivation. Studies show that WOOP helps people exercise more, eat better, do better in school, stop procrastinating, build better relationships. It works because it connects emotion with action. You still dream, but you don't stop there. You face the obstacle and move forward. WOOP is like a map. It helps you go from I wish to I will. Let me explain each part of the studies more clearly. 1. Exercise more. Many people wish to be more active. They say, I want to go for a walk every day, or I want to join a gym. But when the time comes, they feel tired or lazy. Using WOOP helps because you don't just dream, you also face what stops you. For example, wish. I want to walk 30 minutes every morning. Outcome. I will feel healthier and stronger. Obstacle. I feel sleepy when I wake up. Plan. If I feel sleepy, then I will wash my face and listen to music. By doing this, people are more likely to stick to their fitness goals because they have a plan to beat the obstacle. 2. Eat better. Many people want to eat healthy, but they end up eating junk food because of stress, habit, or laziness. WOOP helps them make better food choices by preparing their mind. For example, wish. I want to eat more vegetables. Outcome. I'll feel light and have more energy. Obstacle. I'm too tired to cook after work. Plan. If I feel tired, then I'll eat a quick healthy salad I prepared earlier. This method gives them control and helps change behavior step by step. 3. Do better in school. Students often say, I want to study more, but they get distracted by phones, friends, or boredom. WOOP helps students become more focused. For example, wish, I want to study 2 hours every night. Outcome, I will improve my test scores. Obstacle, I feel bored after 30 minutes. Plan, if I feel bored, then I will take a 5-minute break and come back. This method has helped students in many countries build strong study habits. 4. Stop procrastinating. Procrastination means delaying tasks, even when they are important. People might wish to clean the house, write a report, or finish homework, but they say, I'll do it later. WOOP breaks this cycle. For example, wish. I want to finish my project this week. Outcome, I will feel proud and stress-free. Obstacle, I keep checking social media. Plan, if I open my phone, I will set a 15-minute timer and start work first. This small action changes habits and builds discipline. 5. Build better relationships. Some people want to improve their friendships or family bonds, but fear, anger, or busy schedules stop them. WOOP helps them act with care. For example, wish. I want to talk kindly with my partner. Outcome. We'll feel closer and happier. Obstacle. I get angry when tired. Plan. If I feel angry, then I will take a deep breath before I speak. This can help reduce fights and increase understanding. Chapter 3. Why our mind loves dreams. Why does our mind love to daydream? Because it feels good. Dreaming gives us hope. It helps us escape. And sometimes it's the only comfort we have. But dreams are like sugar. A little is fine, but too much can be unhealthy. When we only imagine success, we miss the hard work part. And if we don't prepare for problems, we feel shocked when things go wrong. That's why WOOP helps. It makes you imagine success and the roadblocks. It turns fantasy into focus. And here's the good news. You don't need big goals. WOOP works for small, daily actions too. Example, wish. I want to wake up early. Outcome, I'll feel fresh and have more time. Obstacle, I stay up late watching videos. Plan, if I'm still watching at 10 p.m., I'll turn off my phone. Simple, right? But powerful. Chapter 4. Real-life stories. Let's hear a few stories from people who used WOOP. 1. Anna the student. Anna wanted to do better in school. She wished to focus during class. Her obstacle? She often felt sleepy and distracted. Her plan? If I feel sleepy, I'll drink water and take deep breaths. It worked. She became more alert and got better grades. 2. Mark, the runner. Mark wanted to run every morning, but he found excuses. Too cold, too tired. His plan? If I say I'm tired, I'll just wear my shoes and step outside. That small step got him moving, and soon he loved his runs. 3. Sarah, the learner. Sarah wanted to improve her English. Her obstacle was fear. She was shy to speak. Her plan? If I feel afraid, I'll remind myself that mistakes are okay. She began speaking more and made new friends. These stories show that WOOP is not magic, it's mental training. It gives your dream a path. Chapter 5. How to use WOOP daily. How can you use WOOP in your own life? Step 1. Take 5 to 10 minutes. Sit quietly. Step 2. Think about your wish. Step 3. Imagine the best outcome. Step 4. Face the obstacle inside you. Step 5. Make a short plan. You can write it in a journal or say it in your mind. You can do WOOP for health goals, study habits, relationship problems, money plans, confidence building. Make it a daily habit. Do it in the morning or before bed. Over time, you'll feel more clear, more focused, and more active. WOOP helps you turn hope into action. Here's a breakdown of how you can apply the WOOP method to daily habits. 1. Health goals. Health goals can be hard to stick to, whether it's losing weight, quitting sugar, or getting more sleep. WOOP in action. Wish. I want to drink more water. Outcome. I'll feel more energetic and have clearer skin. Obstacle. I forget or don't feel thirsty. Plan. If I sit down to eat, I will drink 1 glass of water first. WOOP helps turn healthy intentions into repeatable actions. 2. Study habits. Students often say they want to study more but end up getting distracted. WOOP in action. Wish. I want to review vocabulary every night. Outcome. My English will improve. Obstacle. I play with my phone at night. Plan. If I pick up my phone, I will set a 10-minute timer and open my notebook instead. WOOP makes studying less overwhelming by focusing on small, clear actions. 3. Relationship problems. Arguments, distance, and misunderstandings can weaken relationships. WOOP helps people respond better by preparing for moments of tension. WOOP in action. Wish. I want to stay calm when my partner is upset. Outcome. We'll understand each other better. Obstacle. I feel angry when they raise their voice. Plan. If I feel angry, I will count to 5 and speak softly. This mental practice helps you stay kind and clear under stress. 4. Money plans. Many people want to save money but struggle with impulse spending. WOOP in action. Wish. I want to save $50 this month. Outcome. I'll feel proud and secure. Obstacle. I often buy things I don't need. Plan. If I want to buy something, I'll wait 24 hours before deciding. WOOP trains the brain to pause and make smarter choices. 5. Confidence building. Self-confidence isn't just about positive thinking. It grows from action, especially small wins. WOOP helps people move from fear to courage. WOOP in action. Wish, I want to speak up in meetings. Outcome, I'll feel respected and brave. Obstacle, I'm afraid I'll say the wrong thing. Plan, if I feel afraid, I'll take a breath and say one helpful sentence. WOOP reminds you that confidence isn't about being perfect. It's about taking action despite fear. So, what have we learnt today? Rethinking positive thinking is not about stopping dreams. It's about dreaming smarter. Gabriele Oettingen teaches us that just dreaming can sometimes make us stuck. But if we add reality and make a plan, we move forward. The WOOP method is simple. You don't need special tools, just your mind, a little time, and a real wish. So the next time you want to do something, big or small, try WOOP. Wish, outcome, obstacle, plan. Let your dreams fly, but give them wings of action. Thanks for listening to the Learn English Road podcast. If you enjoyed this episode, please follow, like, or share it with a friend who loves learning. Until next time, keep dreaming and keep doing.